Hello world, welcome to Kangen Chemistry. My name is Luke Parker. I'm a molecular hydration specialist, and today we're going to be talking about the Kangen SD501 by the Najik Corporation, and then cover myself and the Najik Corporation. Basically, if you want the real rules, look at a Najik official website, www.najik.com. For rules and regulations. And today we're going to do what we do. Basically, we have simple chemistry that we do on basically a daily basis to educate people on what's out there and how products and different things in our body work. Today, you'll see our 9.5 drinking water. That's what the water that I've been personally drinking for almost 3 years. And we have a clear soda here that represents all soda, maybe pretty close to Gatorades and energy drinks and stuff like that are pretty much, basically we're talking about carbonation drinks. And then we also have, you see 2 glasses, which we're going to activate the machine. And then this little guy right down here is phenol red. Phenol red is, most people are familiar with that on the level of if you have a brackish fish tank, you got to check its pH. If you've ever owned a pool or been around a pool, it's what they check the pool's pH to regulate it. And as you can see up here, if it's been a while since you've had some chemistry lessons and how the pH chart works, is it goes from 0 to 14, and us as human beings lie right here in neutral. And babies are actually a little more alkaline. That's why they can bounce down different things and stuff. So they're a little more alkaline. And as you can see, interesting about the human body is we can go acidic or we can go alkaline. So that's pretty interesting stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and dive right into it. Here's a standard soda. Make sure you guys, brand new, never been opened. It's a little froggy on us. We want to make sure we keep the full 16 ounces. This is actually a 16.9 ounce bottle of soda. So let's go ahead and get a little bit of chemistry going right now. We're going to go ahead and activate the Najik SD501. Get that going. We'll keep the cap on this. Put a little more in there. Pretty easy to use. Push a button right here. Go ahead and cut it off, just so you guys can see. So where are we laying on that? So we have 2 very opposite substance. As you can see on the pH scale, you have one down here and one up here. So basically, in a sense, they're the polar opposites. So what we're going to demonstrate today is that we say the reasoning why on either, there's a couple ways to say it, is some people take a 30-day challenge. We give people a 30-day test drive to see how this water and its different properties, we're only going over one with the pH today, and how it affects us in your body. Now, what we're saying is that you drink one 16-ounce bottle of soda, it's equivalent to 4 gallons of water. So if we were providing you water for 30 days, and you drink one of these one day, you basically are only getting a 26 days worth of the experience. Because that's what your body lives down here. It takes that amount of time. It takes that amount of water just to get you back here, and you can forget about going to good health. And this is the scary part, is if what we're saying is true, if you're a little kid, the ratio doesn't change. We're lucky enough as adults that if we drink it, it's basically, with this water, most people average a gallon a day. That's usually what we ask you to drink to start out with. But it's pretty fascinating is you can drink up to 2 gallons of water a day. But that's we can get into that. That's specifically body weight equation we'll get into. But as a little kid, it doesn't matter. The ratio is still the same. 16 ounces, 4 gallons. If they're littler, it's of course going to take them more than 4 days to get back. So let's go ahead and dive right into the chemistry. Let's drop in some soda, see how that goes. And let's go ahead. We'll put half the soda in first to make sure, get a good little idea. We'll add a little more phenol red in there. It's not exact chemistry on measuring out, but you'll still see what we're talking about. 9.5 alkaline water. I might drip a little bit. So as you see, so far, we're still pretty acidic after half a gallon of water and only half a soda. So we'll keep this train moving. Next time I will have a funnel. Come on. Let's get alkaline. Can we do it? Not yet. Pretty scary that just a half a bottle of soda, there's one whole day worth of water. Let's see what another gallon does for us. Let's see if we can at least get to neutral. Uh-oh. Starting to get some color change in there. Let's check. We're starting to get a little healthier. So we're slightly alkaline. So let's do something fun. Let's add, this time, instead of all of it, let's just add a couple little capfuls of soda. I kind of missed on that one. Stir it up a little bit. Still pretty acidic. So let's see with our third gallon, let's see if we can get her to turn blue. Get at least up to here with the half the soda. Pretty interesting things I would say is that you can go to any gas station and anything, and that it causes our body this much water just to get us back to where we're designed to be as human beings in homeostasis. I might have said that a little off, but so we're in 3 gallons of water, and we're just kind of hitting a neutral zone. So let's see what we can do with our 4th gallon of water. Let's see if we can go alkaline, and then of course, like I said, we still got this left. We're going to dump that in at the end and see where it takes our body. kind of healthy. I guess it's like some kind of aqua, maybe like right in between there. So let's put we'll put 8 more drops in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure our phenol red levels doing good. Little swirl. Mix it up. So we're a little bit on the alkaline. I want to drink a little more soda. I've been in about 2 years, pretty close as long as I've been drinking this water. I haven't touched the soda. It won't take long. And this is happening inside your body. You know? I don't know about you, but I don't know if I want that happening inside my body. So let's go ahead. So you're still kind of in this, you're pretty much somewhere between here and here after 4 gallons of water. So if you want to zoom in on this, we're going to bring this over to here. We're actually going to zap in straight 9.5 and see if we can't get this to go alkaline by the time it fills a 5-gallon container. You see the camera for a second. You guys can zoom in and see as the water hits, it's actually alkaline right there. Let me adjust that just a little. Stirring. Here we go. We're going to be wrapping up soon, so in closing, as you can see, common sense chemistry. I think that was it. Let me rinse this out real quick and make sure. Real quick, what kind of water is going in there. So, definitely alkaline going in. So you can see it's pretty ridiculous on how much water your body has to consume to get you back to where you need to be. And you actually want to be on this side. So any information or you can contact us. You can see the website. Phone number is my direct line. And any questions. And I would encourage anybody to try the water for 30 days. I feel like there's a lot of things in life where people, they talk, but they have no experience. And that's the one thing of when you do research on ionizers, this is the one thing I appreciate about this company most. Is they all compare themselves to a Nagic SD501 and the Nagic Corporation, but none of them let you try the water for 30 days. And I feel like that is a true test. You get to experience it for yourself, and you get to make your own decision. Thank you for joining us on Common Sense Chemistry. My name is Luke Parker. I will see you in the future. Have a nice day.